Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video we're going to be looking at 25992 for Windows Insiders on the Canary channel, a new build of Windows 11. There's some interesting changes with this, and mainly under the hood stuff. So we started off with SMB changes, which is the server messaging block protocol used when you're doing file shares and things. The rules in Windows Defender have been slightly changed to improve security. So the file and print sharing profile, when you enable that file and print sharing, it uses these new restrictive ones, which no longer contains inbound 137 ports, NetBIOS 137.139. So that's for improved security. So they're also going to remove ICMP, LLMRN, and spooler service ports and restrict that. So it's only really allowing the share that you need. So it makes things more secure. Brings the rules closer to the Windows Server file server role as well. So you can still manually set it up, but yeah, it does improve the security. They've also changed the SMB LTN blocking exception list. So there's a couple of exceptions allowing for that as well. And SMB now supports connecting to SMB port over TCP, QUIC, and RDMA using alternative network ports hard-coded. Previously there was only a few ports that you could use, and now you can set those up as well. So Microsoft have all the details on the blog posts. The rest of the changes are fairly minor, but interesting. They improve the performance of open and large zip files, which is good, and they've added support for creating 7-zip and tar archives. So if I compress this now, you can see here I can choose between zip, 7-zip and tar files. They've changed some things around Snap Assist, so when you hover over now you should see app icons, which you can see there. And there's some fixes from known issues as well with this build. They fix on some settings that would crash, they fix some issues with drawing off screen with a pen, and they fix some issues with the settings home might not show correctly and you sign into Microsoft account, and they fixed some quick setting issues as well, and fixed an issue with taskbar icons disappearing. There's still some known issues. There's a new one. If you go to settings, Bluetooth touchpad, it'll crash on this build, and there's still issues with gaming as well. So those are the changes. It's good to see the 7-zip tar options being in there, so you won't need a third-party app if you want to compress that. Previously Windows supported uncompressing them, but now it supports compressing them as well. So thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on thedigitallife.com. This is build 25992.